We've been hearing today about how this virtual workforce can help you boost efficiencies. And those efficiencies, yes, can translate into cost benefits. However, those efficiencies could also equate to freeing up time of people that will allow you to reallocate those tasks and make sure that they focus on more value-adding activities. Taking a robot out of a human will allow you to drive up your employee engagement and get that particular experience you want. You can also increase your quality by eliminating human error. Or beyond that point, you can do things you wouldn't be able to do before that particular moment in time. If you look at controls, you normally test a subset, a sample of transactions, because a human cannot physically go through every single individual transaction. Or when you start to work with robots, all of a sudden, that becomes possible. If you look to your executives today, they are signing an in-control statement. They are signing a letter of representation. And I asked that team, how would you feel about signing the exact same document, but now with 100 virtual colleagues that are posting in your financial systems of record? So this was one of our first bots that started in the Heineken context. We have a somewhat fragmented landscape, which is where I started. And in that landscape, we wanted to pull information from 24 different systems. And our BI team could build this fantastic data warehouse, which would have a particular throughput time and a cost point. We did it significantly faster and cheaper by getting the data pulled out of the ERP systems and stored in a database, putting the needed and necessary reporting on there, giving IT the opportunity to deliver solutions faster, cheaper, more innovative, getting you the business outcomes faster than we were able to do without this type of technology in there. Let's imagine that you want to interact with a shared service center because you want to change your master data. If we give you the opportunity to answer a number of basic questions through a chatbot, we make sure the experience for the employee is better, especially if you don't do it often. And additionally, you make far less mistakes. A lot of the mistakes are not possible to make. Going through that volume of data is not possible for a human. It is for a piece of technology. Now, if you want to scale up and you want to do it in a controlled way, there are quite a number of things at some point you need to consider. How will you orchestrate the collaboration and the handshake between human and machines? Because robots won't do everything. They will do a part of the work. They need to collaborate. Where are you going to ensure that all these pieces of technology work together? What is the impact to your control framework? My first experience was that it didn't fit my policy framework. You're either a human, you have a passport, you exist in HR, or you're a system account, and a system account doesn't touch transactional data. That developed a Heineken way of doing RPA. And we're not going to claim that we are complete. We have started to bring all those insights together, building a foundation that if you grow and you want to grow in a controlled way, you can blend these use cases for maximum value and focus on architectures that work, people that are happy to work with them, and chief executives that are happy to sign off statements of being in control. Thank you.